What a wonderful world.
Hello, it's Blue Girl here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So in this video, I'm gonna opening 3 paper squishy blind bags of the Powerpuff Girls. Why I just made 3 blind bags? It's cause the main character in the movie is only 3, so I only made 3 blind bags. Well, this is how they look. The packaging is more easier than the squishy. I love the packaging anyways. So here's the bag, just plain. I hope I got the Blossom one cause she's a captain, as you know. Yeah, probably she's captain, right? Can you guess what inside and which one I got? So just comment down below. But if you guys want my blind bags, I'll give you one. Well, now I'm gonna open the first blind bag with the scissors. So first I got the checklist. Honestly, I don't really like the checklist. It's so messy. I think the bubbles one is really cute. I like them. Well, what inside? Can you take a guess? Let's go to cut it up. Open it up. I don't know how to say it. But here we go. I got the Blossom one. Oh, she's so cute. Turns out I should put it up because it looks like a puzzle. I have to piece together. And here's the result. What do you think about the Blossom one? I don't think it's cool because it's just like this. It's soft but not slow rising. I hate the back because it's look like an owl. But when I squish it, it's so fun, and as you can see, it's so satisfying. Then I checklist the Blossom one because I got the Blossom. So for the next blind bags, probably I'm gonna open this one. I hope I got the Buttercup. If not Buttercup, I hope I got the Bubbles. I'm gonna open it up with the scissors. As usually inside, I got the checklist again. Then I got the bag. I think I'll got the Bubbles one, I guess. If not Bubbles, of course, probably I got the Buttercup. Let's see what's inside. And as you can see, I got the Bubbles. Finally. The squishy that I made always not slow rising. I mean, of the Powerpuff series, because I made this squishy 3D squishy, so it's so hard to make with. As I said, the packaging is more easier than the squishy. Let's go back to the checklist and checklist the Blossom and the Bubbles one. Let's go to open the last blind bag. I got the Buttercup, I know it. Let's see what inside. As usually, I got this again, checklist, and this bag. Let's see which one I got. Well, as you can see, I got the Buttercup finally. And I love this one than another squishy of the Powerpuff Girl that I made. If you guys wanna know how I make this squishy, it's so easy. You can watch in my YouTube channel. And I got the tutorial how to make this squishy. You can search the video on my YouTube channel, or if you're lazy, you can check and click the link in my description box. By the way, I spent 5 days for making these blind bags. but that's okay. It's so fun to make them, and because it's for you guys. So if you guys want me to make videos like this again, make sure you all have to subscribe this YouTube channel, then activate the bell. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like it. I appreciate you because you guys watching this video, and really thank you. Have a great day and have a good night. Bye guys.